How to download HBO Max on Philips Smart TV. I'm going to tell you what to consider in order to watch HBO Max on your Philips Smart Television. First, check your TV's operating system. Philips Smart TVs run on different platforms like Android TV, Roku, or Sapphire. HBO Max is not available in Sapphire and is only available for Android TV or Roku models. You just download it from Google Play Store if you're using an Android TV and Roku Channel Store, otherwise Roku. Search for HBO Max and just install. Launch the application and sign in, and that's pretty much it. But what if your TV doesn't offer the application? You can use a streaming device like a Fire Stick, a Chromecast, or an Apple TV. Cast from your phone if your TV supports screen mirroring. You may also try a gaming console like a PlayStation or Xbox.